Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make a Flappy Bird tutorial. Sorry, not a Flappy Bird tutorial. I will be making a Flappy Bird game. I'm the one making the tutorial. And this is what I will be teaching you how to make. It's a simple Flappy Bird game. I'm not very good at it. But count your score when you go past a pipe, and if you touch a pipe, then you lose, and if you touch the ground, you lose, and if you touch the ceiling, you lose. My game is called Flappy Penguin. You can call yours whatever you want and make whatever art you want, but this is my art. You can try to copy it. Anyway guys, this is the Flappy Bird tutorial. Let's get right into it. So first I'm going to get my penguin costume in here, because this is the player. Okay, so sprite player. Okay, now let's get the pipe in here. And here's the pipe. I will go ahead and name that pipe. And there we go. Now you have our sprites. Now time to code them. By the way, in the pipe, make sure the pipes are going off, like into the distance here. See, mine is, because we're going to be changing the Y position and the pipes may cut off if they go too high. So yeah, just beware of that. Anyway, let's start in the player with a when green flag clicked show and a go to. I want my penguin to go to a place kind of up here. So how about -1, 16, 84. I don't know, random numbers. I guess that's kind of fine. Maybe move the penguin back a little bit. So -120. Maybe. Good enough. So now I want to make a new variable called y velocity, or yVel for short. We want to click for the sprite only. And we want to set yVel to 0, uncheck that so it hides, and then in a forever loop want to change yVel by -0.8. You can change this. This is just the gravity. The bigger the negative number, the faster your player will fall, and the smaller the number, the slower the player will fall. Right, change yV by 0.8. I recommend 0.8 because I found that most realistic gravity. And then change y by yV. Change y by y velocity. So it actually changes the position. Now I want to check if they're touching the pipe or the edge. So if touching edge or pipe. Touching edge or pipe. We will broadcast a new message that we will use later called game over. There we go. And now we want to make the flapping. So Just duplicate this. Oh, no, not that. Just duplicate this. And you want to set yV to 8 for when we flap. And we do key space pressed. Let's test that out. Yep, now we have some working flapping. Okay, now let's make the pipe spawn. Okay, so go into the pipe and do a when green flag clicked, set speed to -7. That is a new variable. Set speed. So speed. And we'll do this for all sprites. You'll set speed to -7. And we will set score to 0, which is another new variable for all sprites. Set score to 0, uncheck both of those so they hide on the screen, and then go to Y0 like that, and X2 50. That would be on all the way to the right of the screen. Now I want to hide, because it will only show when it's on screen. And then forever, create clone of myself, and wait divided by, and pick random. In the divided, put 2. In the pick random, put 2 to 3 seconds. This is where you can make these pipes spawn faster or slower. Right, now let's do a when I start as a clone. We can set Y to, where is it? There we go. Set Y to pick random -170 to 170. And then we will show the clone right here. And then repeat until X position is less than our player's position. So we'll have to go back to player. It goes to -120, so less than -120, whatever your player's position is. And then change X by speed. Okay. Now we will change score by 1. And repeat until again. And we will do repeat until X position is less than -240. That is all the way up the left of the screen. And also change X by speed. And then at the end, then delete this clone. There we go. Now let's test it out. There we go. Now the pipes spawn. But if you touch this pipe or the edge, nothing happens. So let's make the game over work. So when I receive game over, if we want to stop scripts in Sprite. Make sure it's scripts in Sprite, not descriptor all. And then we also want to delete this clone there. And just pull that into the pipe as well. So it's in the pipe. Now we should have a functioning game where you can't touch the roof or the bottom, you can't touch the pipes. And now, okay, so that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. But wait, I forgot one more thing. If you want the score to show, put it here, and then select large readout, put it right there. And there we go. That is the Flappy Bird game done. You can make a custom background if you want to, but this is just a tutorial for now, so you can customize this as much as you want. Anyway, bye!